President-elect Donald Trump's designated border czar visited Texas before Thanksgiving, promising mass deportations.
You can't have strong national security if you don't have border security.
Just as the Texas Land Commissioner offered additional state land, a 1,400-acre ranch, for processing and detaining undocumented immigrants. But immigration experts have questions.
The thing that's kind of challenging here is who would it be holding? Would it be holding people with final orders of removal who don't need access to courts? Would it be holding families? Would it be holding only people that we don't have the ability to quickly remove?
There's little doubt the deportation program that Trump promises would require the government to create more detention space. U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement has around 42,000 beds under current congressional funding. But there are at least 11 million undocumented immigrants in the U.S. Laura Collins is the director of the Bush Institute SMU Economic Growth Initiative, and she says federal law requires different detention standards for different populations. As an example, she cites the needs for families.
Those are more vulnerable populations. The standards there are a lot different. And there's also limitations on how long you can detain children and families. It's not as simple as just saying, well, we're going to detain people until we can remove them. There are lots of other restrictions and checks and balances that go into that.
Trump's hardline immigration advisor, Stephen Miller, has floated the idea of building large-scale staging areas near the Texas-Mexico border. As has been the case under previous administrations, ICE is expected to lean on local counties and cities. Immigrant and civil rights groups say they're preparing to challenge the incoming administration's efforts.
We're incredibly concerned about increased use of immigration detention because the ICE detention system is plagued by rampant abuse, including lack of medical and mental health care that in some very tragic instances have led detained people to serious illness, suicide, or death.
Experts say implementing a mass deportation program could cost hundreds of billions of dollars. Trump has vowed to proceed regardless of the expense. In Washington, Rena Diamante, Spectrum News.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Let Spectrum News be your resource for balanced, in-depth political coverage. And click the subscribe button here. You can also download our app and watch us on TV to learn more about the candidates, where they stand on the issues, and more. We'll see you then.